What's up, y'all? Happy New Year's. Happy New Year, y'all. Welcome to the Domino 7 Show live stream on Instagram Live, okay? Eventually on YouTube. Playing my game and stuff like that. Starting the new year off with a gameplay, okay? As I wake up in the morning and stuff like that, almost 7:30, 7:25 as I speak, okay? On January 1st, 2024, the first year 2024. Yeah, gotta be good, you know? Uh-huh. Yeah. Give it up, give it up, give it up. Toss it up, toss it up, toss it up. Uh-huh. Y'all know how we roll, okay? Yep. All right. So y'all not gonna watch the full game, but y'all gonna see it when it's uploaded to YouTube. Okay, if you're watching this on YouTube right now, then y'all gonna see it with an upload, okay? All right. All right. Let's go back outside again. About to go back outside again, y'all. Okay. Yep. On this special Christmas, not Christmas, New Year's. Okay. All right. So outside I am. I hope I don't get disconnected. Okay. Shut up, you crow. All right. Yeah. So look at the look at the skyline of New Orleans downtown. Okay. All right. So let's go here. Show y'all the top of the Superdome. Look at the top of that, you know. That's the tip of it, you know. Uh huh. Oh wait, look at this guy right here. Huh. Good morning to you. Happy New Year's to you, squirrel. All right. What y'all for? All right, yeah. All right, y'all. Oh, so sometimes them squirrels play tag in. Hmm. Is that a baby or what? Hmm. All right. No matter what, babies should be supervised, even animals. Okay. All right. So yeah, though, y'all. So that's all to it, y'all. hmm It's not that cold out today, you know. Yeah, this it's the weather, y'all. Okay, the weather for today. All right. So, how many of y'all enjoying the new year? I know I am. It's the first day. Okay. Today my cousin Trina's birthday, but I'm a wish her a happy birthday. A little later, she probably still sleep. You know. It's like Christmas of the New Year. Okay. All right. All right. As y'all watch this with me, you know. Oh. All right. Do a free throw right here, you know. All right. Wow, wait. Ain't that something, y'all? Hmm. Yep, indeed, y'all. hmm Well, yeah. All right. Happy New Year's, y'all. Okay. So I'll see y'all later. And to my girlfriend, or should I say ex for now, Happy New Year's. All right. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right.